It's Monday! Welcome back to another Mixology Monday with the Metal Mixologist from Drunken Smithy. Today we are going to feature a flavor because it is fall and I'm excited. So we're going to feature chai. And chai is, you know, a really great mix of fall spices. It's got a lot of cinnamon and cardamom and ginger, all those great fall flavors. Certainly, if you're non-alcoholic, you can follow the directions on the back of the box. But I'm going to show you something else you can do with it. So I have 3 cups here. The first 2 we are going to put some chai directly into. I'm using about 1.5 ounces here with this jigger. You can use more or less to your liking. I'm making 2 hot drinks and 1 cold drink. I'm gonna get rid of that lantern fly sneaking up on the counter here. Because they're everybody's problem, right? Okay, so for the first 2, at the beginning of this video, I spliced together me heating some things. So I heated some apple cider for you non-alcoholic folks. And I heated some red wine, preferably something a little sweeter like a Pinot Grigio or a Malbec. And if you didn't realize it was that easy to make yourself hot mulled red wine in the wintertime, now I could do. We used to serve this at my bar. It's delicious. It's one of my favorite things. My favorite red wine is actually a Pinot Noir to pair with it. I just grabbed something off the shelf. I won a Dornfelder out of a contest recently, so that's what I have. But hot mulled cider, hot red wine, very easy to do. You saw I steamed them with my espresso machine, but if you don't have one, you can certainly do it on a stovetop. The second thing I'm going to make, which I actually didn't want chai in here, so I'm going to strain it back out, because I'm going to put alcoholic chai in this one. So having had it in my cup isn't going to affect the flavor at all. But I had this pop up in my Facebook recently, and it actually mixes really well, and I really love it. It is called Twisted Chai from Twisted Path Distilleries out of Wisconsin. And it's great on its own, it's great on ice cream, it's great with just about anything. And I'm going to do a full 2 ounces of this. Like I said, it's still chai flavored, so the fact that I made my shaker dirty with chai doesn't really matter. And I'm going to mix it with a bourbon cream. You could use Bailey's. I think there's like an O'Henry's. There's all different kinds. This one is called Nuku. It's a little pricier. It tends to run just a little nuttier and a little less sweet than some of the others. Again, something we carried at my bar that I happen to really love, which is why I'm going to use it. And I'm going to do 2 ounces of this one also. Equal parts. And then because I went to the Van Gogh exhibit yesterday, I'm going to try really hard to make this a Starry Night cocktail. So I have some butterfly pea flower here, which has, if you didn't know, kind of an earthy flavor to it. If you don't have that, this cocktail is great when it's not flavored. I'm going to shake it. It reminds me of the blue milk from Star Wars. And if you didn't know, this time of year there's goldenrod everywhere. You can actually eat goldenrod. It doesn't just have to make you sneeze. I'm going to grab some of these beautiful yellow blossoms here, toss them into my cocktail with some star anise in all of my cocktails because it has a pretty shape and a nice flavor that complements. You can also put cinnamon sticks. I have orange peels in my mulled drinks. But there you have it. Chai 3 ways. Alcoholic and non-alcoholic, hot and cold. Happy Monday. See you at the forge.